Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Beautybyaj, and today's video is going to be a twist out tutorial using some new products that I just got. So if you'd like to see this video, make sure you keep on watching, and if you are new to my channel, welcome, and make sure you hit that subscribe button. So starting off with freshly washed, conditioned, and deep conditioned hair, I am going to begin my twist out. So the products that I use the Texture ID Styling Cream, and this product is super moisturizing and it just made my hair feel super soft and hydrated. And then for gel, I'm using the Wetline Extreme Gel. This is a really good gel. It reminds me of Eco Styler gel, but it's way cheaper. This big jar was $2.97 at Walmart. So if you like Eco Styler, you're probably gonna like this. And I just twisted my hair as a normal 2-strand twist out, so I'm just gonna let it play and you guys can watch. So once I got to the top of my hair, it did start to get dry, and since I have low porosity hair, the product was just sitting on top of my hair. So I did go in with my Q-Redo, and I will leave a review on this product soon, but I did go in with my Q-Redo just to steam my hair and warm it up so the product can penetrate my hair. So in total, I have about 20 twists, and as you can see, they are not neat by any means, but this is just the overall result of the twist. To take down these twists, I am using the white bottle of the Wild Growth oil, and I am just going to make sure my hands are coated with the oil and then just begin taking it down and separating the twist. I'm picking my hair just to try and give it a shape, which I don't think I succeeded in, but I tried. And then I'm gonna show you a texture shot just so you can see how defined these products really did have my hair. There is a little bit of frizz, but overall, like, my hair is very, very defined. So that brings me to the end of this video. So if you liked what you saw, make sure you thumb it up. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, make sure you leave a comment below. And if you haven't already done so, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my video next Friday.